Yo, what is up guys, it's Vin here again, back with another unboxing video. And today we've got something that is very portable. I can use for my PS5, my laptop. It's a portable SSD, the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD to be exact. It's water resistant, high-speed storage designed to keep you moving. Alright, obviously it's 1 terabyte, up to 10,050 megabytes per second.
What?
And 1,000 megabytes per second write speed. It also says shock and vibration resistant solid state core withstands up to a 2-meter drop. Compatibility Type C or USB Type A port, USB 3.2 Gen 2. The device itself, it's literally tiny. I didn't expect it to be this small. A little cable with both Type A and Type C USB, and obviously Type C on the other hand for your disk. That's actually dope. USB 3 and USB Type C. USB Type C on both sides. It looks like a little phone. That was a very hard sticker, not gonna lie. And here we are. 1 terabyte SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. I like this, and this is just sort of a rubber one. So that's it. That's the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD 1 terabyte. Hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know if you need any information on this. Thanks for watching, and peace out.